Hi everyone, so today I am going to give you an introductory lesson for the philosophy. Without further ado, let's go into the lesson. So, what is exactly philosophy? Philosophy encompasses the pursuit of wisdom through the individual or collective concepts and ideologies. It involves the exploration of knowledge across diverse fields such as politics, religion, logic, and the metaphysics. So, what is the scope of philosophy? It extends beyond the mere collections of thoughts and beliefs. Rather than that, it's dwell into the analysis of their origins and the underlying theories and principles. Additionally, it encompasses the study of ethics, focusing on the determination of honorable behavior. Origin and the meaning. Philosophy derived from the Greek word like the love of the wisdom. So this unconventional pursuit is stark contrast to the prevalent interest of the era such as poetry, drama, farming, religion, politics, like a broad aspects of disciplines. Okay. So as the impact of philosophy, we can take a philosophy will foster critical thinking skill among students, right? Contributing significantly to the exploration and understanding of the complex ideas and principles. So now we are going to see how the philosophy word derived from that Greek word love for wisdom. Okay. So philosophy is derived from the philos and the sophia, such Greek word. So philo means the love and the sophia means the wisdom. So binding together, it's giving a love of wisdom. It's known as philosophia. So for the philosophy, love for knowledge and love for wisdom can take place.